Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can unblock someone on Scrabble Go's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To unblock someone on Scrabble Go, firstly go ahead and launch open your Scrabble Go application. The home page of Scrabble Go application will appear on the screen. Now to unblock someone on Scrabble Go, tap on the person that you want to unblock. The person's profile will appear on the screen. Click on little gear icon at the top right side of the page. From the pop-up, slide the slider of block player to the left side to unblock the user. This is how you can unblock someone on Scrabble Go's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.